Now, before starting the video, I would like to talk about the sponsor of this video, KeysFan. KeysFan offers cheap and legal OEM software keys in an easy way. You can activate software such as Windows and Microsoft Office in a fast and reliable way with these keys that are 100% official and suitable for online activation. Moreover, they offer lifetime after-sales support in addition to 24/7 customer support. Don't miss KeysFan Mega Discount if you are interested. You can check the links in the description. Add the product you need to your cart and catch 50% discount for Windows Series with RTG 50 and 62% discount for Microsoft Office and bundle with RTG 62. Don't forget to check the descriptions for details. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of macOS 14, which is macOS Sonoma on VMware. First of all, we need to get VMware. So simply go to their website, choose Windows version and download. I already downloaded the file. Now install software. Here, accept the terms and follow all the steps as shown. After that, click on Finish. Here, one more thing you need to do. Here you need to unlock the VMware to run Mac system smoothly. In the right side, you will see Releases. Head over to Auto Unlocker Releases. Here I recommend you choose 2.0 version, select Assets, download this file. After that, extract the file. Now go to Path, run the file as admin. It starts to unlock and gets installed. Now open VMware. Create new virtual machine. Choose the macOS 14 ISO file. Go to Next. Here choose Mac OS X. Select the latest version. Go to Next. Give it a name. By default, the vDisk is created in this path. Next. Set storage size. Here, the minimum recommended is 80 GB or higher. Select virtual disk as single file. Go to Next. Select Customize Hardware. Set memory size. Set processor count as minimum 4 or above, or at least 2 cores. Don't give total CPU cores. Only give 1/2 of total. Leave the remaining settings as default. Here, choose USB controller as USB 3.1. Click on Close. Finish. Here, the virtual machine gets created. Simple, start the machine. Here, choose your language and head to Next. So we are now onto macOS Recovery. Simply select Disk Utility and continue. Choose the created virtual hard disk. Select Erase. Rename it, and erase. Now get back. Head over to install macOS 14, continue. Continue. Agree the terms. Choose disk and continue. The installation process starts. It takes very long time to install. You need a bit patience. Takes almost like 15-30 minutes based on your PC performance. And finally, it's successfully installed. Complete the entire setup process of Mac. So finally, we are on the Apple's latest macOS Sonoma version in a virtual machine. Now eject this disk. Let's check its PC information. And yep, here it is. But still, the problem is it has lack of very lowest GPU memory. That's why I feel some lag, delay in the GUI. But no worry, here is the solution. Here, simply on above. Select Player option. Manage Install VMware Tools. Here, install VMware Tools. Allow all permissions. After successful install, restart the Mac. Now let's check the system information. Here we go. The GPU memory is increased a bit. Somehow now it looks smoother. You can do basic tasks. But don't expect more from it because the natives are always work better than the virtual ones. So that's it for today's video, guys. If this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe for more stuff. Thanks for watching.